Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add phone number on booking.com account. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in booking.com in the URL box in order to get to the official website. Once you do, make sure that you're logged into your booking.com account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. Now click on My Account button and on the next page, click on Personal Details. Inside Personal Details section, scroll down and click Edit right next to phone number. Now go ahead and select your country code from the drop-down and then choose your country from the list. Once done, enter a phone number in the text box. Once you type in your phone number, click on the Save button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a phone number in your booking.com account. So that's it. Your new phone number is added to your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.